Integrating owner's use of completed work. When it comes to construction works, where there can be a lot going on at the same time as the building is going on, it's important to think about how to use completed parts of the work. This video looks at what happens when projects take place in areas that are already being used by owners or businesses. We talk about how important it is for contracts to include clauses that allow an owner to use finished parts of a project. We also look at how this can affect the construction itself. This conversation shows how important careful planning and well-written contracts are for keeping a good balance between construction progress and owner involvement. 1. Use of completed portions of the work. In some projects, they happen in places where the owner is already there or where they are already doing business. Sometimes, the owner might want to start using parts of the project that are already done. For this to work well, there needs to be a rule in the contract about this exact case. Contractors who are doing the construction work need to think about how the owner using the finished parts will affect the construction work that is still going on. 2. Contractual provisions for use. When a project takes place where the owner is already doing things, it's important to have some rules set down in the contract. These rules tell the owner how to start using the finished parts of the project. This is very important because using these parts could change how the construction work goes. So, these rules make it possible for the construction work and the owner's actions to go on at the same time without any problems. 3. Owner's impact on construction. When the owner and his or her workers are at the construction site, it can slow down the job. People who are building the house need to think about how the owner's presence might make things harder or mess up the building process. Before they start the job, they need to think about this and make plans for it. Concluding remarks. In the world of construction, where buildings go up and ideas take shape, the use of completed work segments presents a unique task. Studies have shown how important it is to have contract terms that allow an owner to use and be involved with these parts. It's clear that coordinating construction work with the owner's presence is key to the success of a project. As construction professionals work on projects while the owner is still doing things, they need to be aware of potential problems and make sure the contracts are clear. These are two of the most important things that need to happen for the project to move forward and the owner to be involved.